Public service departments also increased monitoring of public transportation operations and urban infrastructure to minimize disruptions. Residents were advised to limit unnecessary travel, especially during peak snowfall periods, and to exercise extra caution when walking or driving outdoors. Motorists were repeatedly reminded to slow down, keep safe distances between vehicles, and use winter driving precautions to prevent accidents caused by skidding or loss of control.
有个市区能去了套鞋嘛？怕热了不是？哎，我搁这找鞋卖去了哈。这梯子去不去了？
According to meteorological experts, the snowfall was a typical cold air-induced snow event, resulting from the interaction between strong cold air masses and abundant moisture from the sea. Weihai, located at the eastern tip of the Shandong Peninsula, is particularly susceptible to such weather patterns, which often lead to heavier and more persistent snowfall compared with inland areas. Looking ahead, meteorological authorities indicated that as the influence of the cold air system gradually weakens, snowfall across Weihai is expected to ease. However, temperatures are forecast to remain low in the short term, meaning that accumulated snow and icy road conditions may continue to affect transportation and daily activities.
威海深夜正在下雪，漫天飞舞的大雪，特别大的雪。
Authorities have urged the public to stay informed through official weather forecasts and traffic updates, take adequate cold weather precautions, and remain vigilant during travel. Snowfall intensified markedly during the night, with some areas experiencing blizzard-level conditions. The snow was accompanied by strong winds, resulting in sharply reduced visibility and rapidly deteriorating outdoor conditions. Meteorological data and field reports showed that snow accumulated quickly across the city and surrounding areas. In some districts, snow depth exceeded 20 centimeters, placing considerable pressure on urban operations and daily life. Continuous snowfall combined with persistently low temperatures caused widespread road icing, significantly increasing travel risk. Many urban roads, arterial streets, and sections of expressways were affected by snow cover and ice, leading to reduced traffic efficiency and heightened safety concerns. Multiple drivers reported that vehicles were difficult to operate due to slippery road surfaces. Incidents of skidding were common, and braking distances were noticeably extended, making normal driving conditions challenging. On some roads, vehicles were forced to move at very low speeds, while others experienced congestion as motorists struggled to maintain control. The icy conditions substantially raised the risk of traffic accidents, prompting authorities to intensify road safety management. In response to the severe weather, local governments and emergency departments swiftly activated contingency plans.
窗外的雪太大了，这还能出门吗？
Traffic police, transportation authorities, and municipal maintenance crews were deployed to conduct large-scale snow removal and de-icing operations, particularly on key transport routes, bridges, slopes, and busy intersections. Traffic guidance and patrols were strengthened to manage congestion and respond promptly to emergencies. Based on real-time road conditions, temporary traffic control measures were implemented on certain road sections to ensure public safety and reduce accident risk.